Do you want to see upcoming birthdays on Snapchat? You can find someone's birthday on Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see upcoming birthdays on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you're in Snapchat, swipe right from the camera screen to open the chat screen. Now, at the top right of the screen, tap on your profile Bitmoji icon. You are now on your Snapchat profile page. Under your profile, you will see your birthday with a balloon icon. Just tap on your birthday. A new screen will appear showing a list of friends with upcoming birthdays, recent celebrations, and more birthdays organized by date. Scroll through the list to see who has birthdays coming soon. You can tap on a friend's name to send them a snap or birthday message.